Here's how to access Facebook Ads Manager on a smartphone. So you can follow these same steps for your iPhone and for your Android phone. Open the Play Store or App Store and search for Meta Ads Manager. And here you will find Facebook official Meta Ads Manager app. All you have to need, install the Meta Ads Manager app in your smartphone. Once the app successfully installed, open the Meta Ads app on your phone. And here you will find your current Facebook profile. So if you want to use Meta Ads Manager using a different Facebook account, you can just tap on Not You and manually go ahead and log into your Facebook account. And here I'm selecting my Facebook account for the Meta Ads Manager, and here tapping on Continue. And then you directly jump into your Meta Ads Manager from your smartphone. And now, if you want to create a new ad or campaign, you can just tap this plus icon. And now you can actually go ahead and run any ads from here. Before creating any new campaign or ad, you must need to add your payment method in ad account. So now you can actually use Meta Ads Manager in your smartphone from here. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.